What's up guys, let me show you how to make easy vegan pumpkin bread. This is my favorite vegan dessert recipe which I love to make for breakfast as well because it's so damn good. Also it's got all the flavors of your favorite pumpkin pie hiding in the form of a bread, which the recipe for which you should definitely check out because it's trending right now in my channel. So let's make this comforting fall loaf but also healthy, high protein and sugar free at the same time. Start by taking some pumpkin puree in a bowl along with some flax meal. This is your egg substitute. For the spices, I'll add ground cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, ground ginger, ground cardamom and some ground cloves. I'll use a whisk to bring it all together. Next, I'll pour in my vegan milk. This is oatmeal milk I'm using. You can use almond milk as well. For the sweetener, I'm using monk fruit sweetener. And for the dry ingredients, I'm simply using some oats flour and a pinch of baking soda. I'll bring it all together using a spatula and transfer this to my lined loaf tin. Next, I'll top with some unsweetened chocolate chips and some pumpkin seeds before this gets baked because this really makes the bread very nutty after it gets baked. I'll get this baked at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes. And there you go, within no time my vegan loaf cake is ready. This is my favorite vegan pumpkin loaf because it's so easy and healthy at the same time. I love to serve this with my favorite Starbucks style pumpkin frappuccino. Do check out the recipe for that as well by clicking on the I button above because this goes really well with that. Also, cut it into slices and enjoy because this is gonna be your new favorite vegan breakfast recipe for sure. Let me know in the comment section which next healthy keto dessert recipe you want to see me baking in this amazing fall season. I hope you enjoyed watching this easy healthy vegan pumpkin bread recipe. Cut it into slices, top with some coconut cream and enjoy because this is beyond delicious. Find the full recipe in the description box below. Follow Recipe Magic for more such healthy keto dessert recipes which will make your fall a whole lot better and so much sweeter. Have a great day. This is how you make easy vegan pumpkin bread. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you have any questions, post it below in the comment section so that I answer them for you. Find the full recipe in the description box. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such easy and quick healthy videos for your everyday life. Have a great day.